104 Night Show back at Cleveland Metro Park Zoo, and you know, we didn't get a lot of specific instructions for this video. We're kind of in between a lot of stuff, so let's see what kind of an adventure Ryan comes up with for us today. This may look like about a ton of trash, but what you're actually looking at is 9,000 of these. These are the bags of candy that kids will get at Boo at the Zoo. It's going to run for 8 nights at the end of October. It's a great Halloween party. It runs 6 to 9, and you can get your tickets at the box office here at Cleveland Metro Park Zoo for $7 all the way through the month of September. See this from the road, but I've never actually had a chance to go in, and it's important because this last weekend it got a little cold. It was a little chilly, and you started to realize that fall's here, and soon winter's here, and we're going to be dealing with lake effect snow, and everybody's thinking that the zoo's outdoor. Well, there's a really cool part of the zoo that is not outdoors, and it's 80 degrees year-round. It's included with zoo admission. It's the Rainforest, and I've not been in yet, so let's go check it out. To climb up a tree. Let's see how this works. That's scary. Who knew that trees had spiral staircases in them? I mean, I didn't. Did you? No, I'm just kidding. But we're actually here at the bat exhibit, and you could kind of miss it if you walk by because it's really dark. But if you're a fan of Batman, this is where they come from. And if you've ever been outside, like downtown at night, you see these guys all the time. They buzz right over your head. You don't even know they're there. They're pretty cool. Check out the bats. So I'm walking through the research center, and I just saw the coolest species of all at the zoo. A human. Who knew? Look at this. What's up, little monkey? Humans are cool. Monkeys are cooler. So a lot of people just ran out to see the horror movie Piranhas. It's just them, the real deal. Ryan was really excited to show me this cool new exhibit they have, and it's right behind me, and I'm getting a little, I feel like there's bugs crawling all over me, but it's the new ant exhibit. And if you look at this, they've got all the colonies in here. The queen lives down there. They've got a place they can play up here. This is the fun part. Check this out. They can actually crawl out of their habitat through these pipes and go all the way down past the hissing cockroaches and the tarantulas, all the way down to this section over here where this little guy is checking out through magnifying glasses. You can look at the different ants, record any ants you see, and then they go all the way down the wall there. Feel look, they just found one right there. See? They have like an entire section of the zoo to play around. You don't know me. You can't see me. All right, so that's our trip to Cleveland Metro Park Zoo. And like any good exhibit, you have to exit through the gift shop. So let's look around the gift shop. They have silly bands. Just saying. Who knew Kanye West shopped here?
Sweatshirt.
Sweatshirts. She said something about, oh, those sweatshirts. Well, those are pretty cool, actually. Big snake. All right, so we've been coming to the zoo a lot, and all I've asked Ryan is to just let me hold a monkey, and every time I ask him, he does this. They're not going to let me hold a monkey. So if I can't hold a monkey, I have to do it on my own. What do you think of that?